Welcome back, old school, new school, Form B Finds, and we're going to do a what sold video for the week. I'm the chief, he's the Indian.
Not bad.
Father-son resale team, sell it on platforms, eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and GOAT. And we're going to share what's sold for this week. Hey, let me get at the beginning, hey, like, comment, subscribe. Let's just get out of the way. It's a sharing community. We want to learn from you. Hopefully you learn something from us. And then without no further ado, we almost hit 1K this week. We reached 965 bucks this week, so definitely a good week of a good week of sales. And we didn't even put a lot of effort in. I was like had mad work this week, so definitely, you know, hey, that was Thursday through Saturday came through in the clutch.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna start with eBay. So $30 some Nike slides. So we got a bunch of these, kind of caught a sale. Just bought them in bulk, and they've been going pretty consistent. We got about what six pair left. So you know, just trying to get those out before summertime's over. Okay, next. $39, had $37 switch controller. So got these at Burlington. So picked up a few of these, and and one sold. So normally eBay you can put them in where you put the majority. You can put them all in as a quantity. I think we're doing these one at a time because we got them spread across the three different platforms, or what? Well, two different platforms, eBay and Mercari. So once it sells, we just go and then sell like item and then just refresh it to a new one after one sells. All right, next we got a Nintendo Switch. So long story long with the Nintendo Switch. Bought it last week, so it went pretty fast. So bought it last week. This thing sold 3 times. So this is our first real high dollar item. So I was really cautious, because you don't want to obviously get scammed on this. So it sold the first time, and the person that bought it didn't have any buyer feedback. Account that started in 2020 and everything. Now, and the money, I actually got the money. The money went to the PayPal and everything like that, but I just didn't feel comfortable, letting it go to somebody with no feedback or whatnot. I actually called eBay customer service and just asked them, hey, is it going to be any negative to our account if I just cancel this? I just don't have the warm and fuzzy on sending this, to this account with no history. All right, so that's the first time. Second time it sold, it went to a person, and for some reason they couldn't pay. And we went back and forth. We talked to eBay and everything, and the payment just couldn't go through. So they was trying to get it for a birthday, and it was time sensitive. So without us not being able to figure that out, I canceled their payment and just gave them back their money. And then sold the third time. Again, looked like it was a bot. It sold, was pending payment for what? 3 days, 2 days, 2 days, pending payment for 2 days, canceled that order, right? And then finally, it sold to somebody with some respectable, feedback and everything like that. So it's out of here, $3.99. That's about 30% ROI on that. So if you could find, long story long, if you could find a Nintendo Switch, they are still selling for above manufacturer price or whatever. So definitely be on the lookout for the Nintendo Switches, because then I went back to get another one and they were all gone. And when I bought the one that I had, it was at least 20 there, so all gone. All right, so that's eBay sales. All right, next gonna be Mercari. Mercari was weak this week. Weak this week, get it? So Mercari was weak. So sold another 2 pair of the Nike slides. So we have a few of those listed because we have them in 3 different sizes. They hit us up in the chat and said, hey, can they buy 2 pair? So of course, so change the description to make it a bundle, and then to ship them out together. Got some positive feedback and hope they enjoy their slides. But that was it for Mercari. And and Mercari, that's my first love, and kind of where I started the reselling journey or whatever. So just weak sales this week. All right, Poshmark. Poshmark actually beat Mercari this week, and Posh is normally our weakest platform, but Poshmark and both things sold for full asking price. And you know, on Poshmark, you're normally gonna get lowball. I got a lot of offers this week on Poshmark for other things, and they were all just lowball offers. And like I said, I was busy at work, so even with the lowball offers, I just let them expire. I didn't even decline them or anything like that. But we sold $69 Adidas Original pair of purple sneakers, and then a $60 Nike Rev 5. Bought these shoes. Yeah, long story. Bought these shoes, and like I said, we more than doubled up on that price. I bought it really just to get free shipping on something else. so I'm glad to see that. Hey, doubled up on that. So I bought 2 pair of those just to get free shipping because I needed to get to a certain threshold. And and I seen there were some resale value in those. So just pick up a couple to get my free shipping, right? All right, and then so you want to do the GOAT? Since you keep talking like
no, you do the GOAT.
All right, GOAT. 2 sales on GOAT and best margins by far were on GOAT this week. So gross sale winner is going to be eBay, but margins. But we're still waiting for obviously GOAT. Stuff got to get to GOAT. They got to make sure it is what it says, and then they'll release the funds. So that's why I'm not giving them the trophy this week because we're still waiting for our money. So anything can happen with that, right? So we sold $90 for a pair of Adidas night joggers 3M. I'm seeing night joggers all over the place, right? But these ones was unique because they had the 3M logo, and then they had a lot of the reflective, the 3M reflective on it. So definitely, and that was a quick sell. What, about a week or so? It was under 2 weeks for those to sell. Like I said, sold 90. Obviously, GOAT hit you with fees. Fees not that bad. I think it's 15% and like $5 or something like that. So definitely good flip there. And then for the flip of the week.
Yeah, something that sold in like 3 days.
Air Max, triple white. Were they 97s? I think it was 97s. Air Max, and the Flyknit triple white sold for $230. So give him a hand because he keeps saying.
I only took 3 days to sell.
So like I said, he does all the GOAT kind of entries or whatever. So definitely kudos to him. We actually got 2 pairs. So can you get the other one back on there? Well, so got 2 pair of those, and like I said, got those for the low Ross fine. So definitely, and Flyknit, people love the Flyknit material. So if you're flying anything, especially the Air Maxes Flyknit or Vapor Max Flyknit, go ahead and pick those up because everything that we have listed that's that Flyknit material normally goes, pretty fast. So like I said, gross sales this week $965. Definitely a good week, and try to stay consistent here. Like, comment, subscribe. Any feedback would be appreciated. And then, hey, enjoy your Sunday and enjoy your upcoming week. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Double salute. We out.
Go check out the gaming channel.
Peace.
Yeah, Dad. All I do is, hey, 3 days later, bing, it sold right then and there.